Okay, now standard form, some of you guys might be asking from watching the previous videos, how is standard form different from the others? Well, standard form is presented in the method called ax plus by equals c. Okay, and standard form is actually really cool because you can get slope really fast from just looking at it. Slope would just be negative a divided by b, and the y-intercept would be interpect. Let's change that real fast. Y-intercept would actually be c divided by b. You could also get the x-intercept really fast. C divided by A. So that's something really cool about this form. You can identify those three things. Plus, standard form is just a way we just use standard form because it's easier for inputs into calculators, inputs into computers. It just makes the job a whole lot easier. Okay. All right. Now, how do we get standard form from 2 points? That's always the tough questions. Let's go 3, 1, and 7, 2, something like this. Okay, so first off, find slope as usual. In this case, it's going to be 2 minus 1 over 7 minus 3. Okay, and that will turn into a 1/4. Okay, so I'm all set on that one. Step number 2 is plug into point slope form and simplify to slope intercept. Okay, so in other words, I'm going to go y minus 1 equals 1/4 times x minus 3. Okay, so what I do is I just distribute, so I should get y minus 1 equals 1/4 x minus 3/4. Okay, so that's pretty simple. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Okay, and I should get y equals 1/4 x plus 1/4. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is the next step is step number 3 is move x to same side as y, making it positive and non-fractiony. Okay. So in other words, I'm going to make it a non-fraction. So I'm going to minus 1/4 x from both sides, and so I get negative 1/4 x plus y equals 1/4. Okay, now to make it non-fractiony, I multiply by the negative reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply this by -4, and I do that to every single part because you always have to with your property of real numbers. You have what you do to one side, you have to do the other. And -4 actually is a good reason because I just want to get rid of that negative in front of the 1/4 x as much as possible. So what happens ends up becoming x minus 4y equals -1. Ta-da. Okay, and as I continue to work on that, that's just standard form. It's really easy, straightforward stuff. Okay. All right. Thank you very much and have a great day.